Welcome to Sky River RV, the Central Coast's premier RV dealership. And here's a look at another one of our great RVs. Since 1989, Sky River RV has been bringing adventure and smiles to our friends and neighbors. We pride ourselves on our service, high-quality products, and our fair pricing with no games or gimmicks. Our team is dedicated to the RV lifestyle, and we do whatever it takes to make sure that you go home with the RV that is just right for you. So come into one of our 3 locations today. We are here to help you experience adventure, one memory at a time.